Guys, it's Pinker
and Pooch, and today... sorry, that was your line.
Happy Easter!
Yeah.
So we had the idea of opening our Easter eggs with you guys. What do you think?
Oh no!
What?
Our Easter eggs have been swallowed by this slime goop monster.
Oh my gosh. Will you guys please help us get them out?
Save Easter!
Yay!
Okay.
Let's get straight into it. Okay, so should we... let's just separate it. You could go first, Pooch. Oh, look, there, she found one. See?
This is a blue... This is a turquoisey. Getting stuff out. And let's open it. This one has two things inside. A rock.
And a bouncy ball.
Ooh.
Oh, no.
We put all the stuff back in. So.
Okay.
It's your turn, Pink.
Okay, I'm going to pick this one.
Okay. Orange.
Yes.
Oh, no. This one is opened.
Oh, wow. There's a cute little kitty inside.
Aww. LPS kitty. Okay. I'm going to go for this one. Ooh, this one's shiny.
Ooh, shiny.
Shiny. Oh, no. It opened. This one has a clay dragon in it.
Green and pink.
Look how cute.
Mm-hmm. It's too close.
Okay.
My turn.
No. Yes.
Green. Wow, a green one.
Ew. What is in your egg?
I don't...
Pink.
I don't know, Pooch, but let's find out.
What
it's
is
a Shopkin. It's a waffle Shopkin. I don't know their name. If you know this Shopkin's name, please say in the comments.
Okay, last egg. This one's already started showing its color. True color shining through. I see a blue color. Okay, let's see what's in this one. You'll know why I'm laughing in a second. Okay.
Let's see.
It's a sticky note.
Whoa, what's in there? Oh.
Let's unfold it.
Hold on.
Wait, let me do it. You ready? Got him.
Wow.
Wow.
Well,
I guess we got all the stuff. Let's see all the stuff we got.
We're gonna pause it.
Yeah. These are all of our Easter egg surprises. Leave in the comments below which one is your favorite.
And also,
please subscribe.
what is this name?
Oh, yes. What
What's
is the name of this Shopkin? Okay, now let's quickly just play with the slide for a second. Okay.
Whoa! Yes, so stretchy.
Okay, see you guys later.
Go check out my other videos.
We're going to pull it up.
Okay.
Ready? Wow! Go check out all of our other videos. And please like and subscribe. Bye!